Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix attachments not showing in Outlook. If you've ever opened an email and thought an attachment was missing, there's a good chance it's actually tucked away in a different message within the same conversation. Outlook groups related emails into threads, and attachments often live on the original or earlier replies. In this walkthrough, we'll use Outlook on the web to surface every message in the conversation so you can quickly find the file you need. Start by opening Outlook in your browser and heading to your inbox. If you're not already in the Mail view, look to the top left and select Mail to make sure you're in the place where messages and folders are shown. This ensures you're not in Calendar, People, or another app that won't display your inbox content. Next, select Inbox from the left-hand sidebar to load your messages. Give the page a moment to refresh so the latest emails and any conversation groupings appear. If you're working with Focused and Other, stay on the tab where the message you expect is located. Find the email where you believe the attachment should be. Instead of opening it right away, right-click the message. This opens a context menu with tools that help you work with the thread. Right-clicking is key here because it reveals options that don't show in the standard toolbar. From that menu, hover your mouse over Find Related. Don't click yet, just pause on it. A small submenu will appear. These Find Related options are designed to gather all matching messages so you can see the full story behind a thread without manually searching. Now choose Messages in this conversation. Outlook will collect every email that belongs to the same conversation, even if parts of it are in different folders like Sent Items. This view makes it much easier to spot where the paperclip icon appears, which indicates an attachment. Open the specific message in the list that shows the paperclip to access the file. By using Messages in this conversation, you avoid a common pitfall where only the most recent reply is visible and the original message, where the attachment often resides, stays hidden a few clicks away. If the thread is long, scroll through the results and look for the earliest message or any reply that displays the attachment indicator. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly reveal attachments that seem to be missing but were simply stored elsewhere in the conversation. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.